mag-vote ng impeachment nung nag-rally na ang Iglesia ni Cristo supporting the call of the President. That's why until now, naka-hold talaga yung mga doubtful, yung mga projects na hindi natin sigurado. So that is, so ngayon may pressure na naman na gusto nila ma-release yung mga conditional release na yun.
So all this considered is what gives you led you to the conclusion na self-inflicted yung pagkatalo ng administration slate.
I'm not saying self-inflicted totally. I'm okay. Yung Mindanao kasi makikita mo yung boto nung administration doon ng opposition doon. Mga 90+%, di ba? Yung kunyari sina Bongo, sina Pato, ang tataas ng ano nila sa survey doon, di ba? At hindi na namin na bawi yun. So, tatanong, what was the adjustment I made? The adjustment I made was not to go to Mindanao.
Yeah.
Di ba tinatanong niyo ako lagi and I was avoiding that question, but that was the adjustment I made because why will we go to Mindanao, spend resources, spend time,
Yes.
hindi na namin makumbinsi yung tao doon. So punta na lang kami doon sa lugar na may makumbinsi kami. Number two, if we go there as an alyansa, instead na makasingit-singit yung mga kandidato namin as an individual, pag sinabing alyansa, ayaw namin dyan. So ang ginawa, sumingit-singit yung kandidato, baka pagbigyan sila kung isa-isa sila. So those were the adjustments made.
Sir, so now that tapos na yung election and you're already doing a post-mortem of the campaign, of what happened, and going into the 20th Congress. So sa tingin nyo ba, paano magiging itsura ng 20th Congress given itong ganitong klaseng sitwasyon?
I don't know, it will be up to the members if they want to continue with what was the previous, what is the present 19 Congress, or they want things differently. Diba? It's up to the members naman. It's not up to me.
Okay. But isn't usually the speaker the vote of the president or the choice of the president?
Okay. Syempre, we shouldn't take away naman the will of the congressmen, diba? Lalo na in this after this election na nakita nila yung backlash, diba? So they will have to vote and they will have to think of what is good for the country and what is good for the institution. Diba? Ang kailangan lang naman doon is supportive of the legislative agenda of the president, diba?